Hi everyone! Craving something spicy, creamy, and ready in 10 minutes? Let's make spicy, creamy udon. You need a quarter of onion, few mushrooms, 2 to 3 slices of bacon. Crisp up the bacon and set aside. In the same pan, saute the onion and mushroom. Cook the mushrooms until soft and tender. Then add your noodles. Add 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some black pepper, 30 milliliters of heavy cream. Then stir it all together. Top with some parsley leaves. Save this for your next noodle night.